In this video, you'll learn how to send text messages on the Google Pixel 8a. By following these steps, you will be able to communicate easily and efficiently using your device's messaging capabilities. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 8a and locating the Messages app on your home screen. The app icon typically resembles a speech bubble. Once you find it, tap on the icon to open the application. After the app loads, you will see an option labeled Start Chat or a compose icon, usually positioned at the bottom right corner of the screen. Selecting this option allows you to create a new message. Once you are in the messaging interface, you will need to enter the recipient's phone number or choose a contact from your list. To do this, tap on the designated area where you can input the recipient's information. If you decide to select a contact, your contacts list will appear, allowing you to scroll through and choose the correct person. After selecting your recipient, you can proceed to type your message in the text field provided just below. Before sending the message, carefully review the text you have composed. This is also an opportunity to add any attachments, such as photos or videos, if necessary. Ensure that the recipient's phone number is accurate to prevent sending your message to the wrong person. This attention to detail is crucial for effective communication. When you are satisfied with your message, look for the send button, which is typically represented by an arrow or a paper airplane icon. Tap this button to deliver your message. After tapping, you should see a brief confirmation indicating that your message has been sent. Depending on your settings, a delivery status may appear showing whether the message has been successfully delivered or if there were any issues. If the message fails to send, check your network connection to ensure you have signal strength. You may need to move to an area with better reception or verify that your SIM card is active. If everything appears normal, try sending the message again to complete the process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.